Hi, welcome back to the ALTBAE channel. I love crypto, no FOMO. This was requested by one of the Patreon members, known as 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, one of my Patreon members. So if you want to become a Patreon to support the channel, you can use the description below once this video goes to YouTube, link to Patreon. So it's patreon.com/ALTBAE. There's various tiers here, so take your pick. The recommended one is ALTBAE, where you get early access to the videos. Most of the time they'll be roughly about 14 days before YouTube, sometimes 10 days. So you just get really good early access. And if you want to become one of my VIPs, you also get access to the Telegram group as well. So this is going to concentrate on BonkBot. There are other different kind of bots that you can use, and they do work in similar ways. So there might be some which also enables you to trade on Ethereum and other chains, for example, or Base. But this is going to concentrate using BonkBot, which is a Solana chain Telegram bot. Again, I'll put more information in the description below once this is up on YouTube. Okay, so I've done some filters here, and this is what's come up. So as you can see, with the inauguration of Donald Trump coming into his second term, of course you got first crypto president. So yeah, let's just go on to this one. So it says pair age here. It's gone up almost 15% in the past 5 minutes, time of recording, and it's gone up just over 4x in 24 hours. So you can get the contract address here. So this is the chart. It was released yesterday. It's done a good rally, and it's got a pullback, and so maybe this could be one that would go up again before January the 20th. So what I do usually, if I can, is I will check it before going to buy. So I will just paste in the contract address and just see if there's anything that's issued. So this actually might not be a good project. Actually, it's trending at the top. So there's a lot of holders, but it's saying rug probability 100%. So that could be for various reasons. There could be like a lot of bubble maps, for example. So I always recommend just doing more research before you kind of ape in. So actually, maybe I'll try to find another project. Again, for the sake of the video, I will just pick one that will I'll just be able to trade, just so it's easy to know how to use the Telegram bot. So I'll just pick one down further down here. So yeah, let's just look at Spotify, for example. I've not seen this project before. It just reminds me of another kind of looking at the chart. I think this might actually be this might also be having an issue as well. Let's just see what happens. Okay, there's no real news at the moment. The developer has left the project, so depending on the nature of what it is, it might not be a good idea. Yeah, so I don't think this project will run anywhere, but just for the sake of the video, I will just show you how to trade this token. So I've already taken the contract address here from DEX Screener, and yeah, so I just put in a small amount of Sol into this wallet here. So you can just buy straight away. So if I just put in like a small amount, I've got the contract address here, and I'll just say buy X Sol, and I can just say how much I want to buy. So 0.00, like I don't know, 0.05, very small amount, very quick to use. Okay, so I've just put in like less than $1, and yeah. So what I could also do is I could do like a limit order. So this is good when you're on the go, or you don't have time to look at the chart for a while. So I can do like limit, and I can just do buy. I can do buy and sell, like how much you want to do. So this is for the Botify token. So let's just do limit. So I can just say, oh, so if I want to put in 0.01, I don't know, or 0.05, no, 0.01. Again, because I'm just literally just going onto this project, I can select by market cap in thousands, millions, or billions, price in USD, are multiple like 5x or percentage change. So the current it tells you what the current market cap is. It says it's 21.1 million, and the current or it gives you the price as well. And I don't think it will always match up with the price on Dex Screener. It's going to lag a bit behind. So as you can see here, it's saying 21. So if I want to do a limit buy, let's just say I'm expecting it to dip. I can just say like 19.8. I can just go back onto here. I can just say 19.8 million, and that will trigger. I'll just confirm it. That's it. So I've got this open limit order here, and it's just pretty much the same with the sell order. So I could do limit sell. So I could just do limit sell. How much do I want to sell? So I can just do like 50%, for example. I can just do at what market cap or what percentage change. So I could, if I just say 20% or something, so I can just say, or 10%, I can just say like this. I can just go like, yeah, trigger 10% at 23 point market to, and I can just confirm it like this, and it will just give me the buy and the sell. I can also cancel it if I wanted to cancel the limit order, or I can always update it. So um, I think the BonkBot is available on Android as well as iOS. So most of the time I use iOS for sort of day-to-day telephone, and I've used my Android for my Telegram, which is where you can interact with me on my Patreon. So that's the easiest way to interact with me. I do have quite a few free Patreon members, so I don't really interact with free members, unfortunately. Um, Maybe I can just put a message to say whenever I release a product or when the next video is up there, but uh, the paid early access members or above will get early access to my videos. So it's really straightforward to use. Uh, One final tip, what I would say is, especially when you're first using any kind of bots, is when you set up the bot and you're transferring money, always send a small amount to the wallet first of all. And what I tend to do with BonkBot especially is I have a phantom wallet. So for my centralized exchange like my Coinbase or crypto.com, I would buy Solana, and then I, rather than sending it direct to BonkBot, which you can do if you do wallet, um, I have had instances like a while ago where the money just wouldn't come. So instead, what I do is, instead of sending it direct to BonkBot first of all, I actually send it to my Phantom wallet first of all, and then from my Phantom wallet, I send the Solana to my BonkBot, and I've never had a problem that way. So this is the way I recommend to do it. Yeah, so you can just rinse and repeat. You can have multiple tokens. You know, it's not just limited to one at a time. It will say like how many tokens you have in your portfolio, and you should be able to use, like, say if I had more than one token, I would be able to select which one I want to buy and sell, set up the limit orders, so you're not tied to the screen. You can live your life, you can do your gardening, you could watch your favorite film or something, or you can watch one of my videos. Yeah, so I'll just keep it short and sweet on there. And so when this comes up on YouTube, feel free to like, subscribe, comment in the comment section below. And if you're one of my paid patrons, I will see you in my Telegram.